If you put your palm on your chin and you roll your hand up, your middle finger should hit you right, I have a lot of hair here, so. It should hit you right between the eyes. So the first cut we're gonna make is the middle finger, because that will determine where all the other fingers lie, because they go down in concession. You have your middle finger, and then your ring finger and your index finger are about the same length. So that's a typical hand. And then your baby finger usually will hit this this third knuckle on your ring finger. If you put it here, it just bonk, it hits right there. And then your thumb, if you bring your thumb in, it usually comes up to this second knuckle on your pointer finger. Roll that finger up, and right about there. If you're not sure, mark it with a pen, but I just grab it with my finger and cut it. Now the rest of it's easy, because the rest of it just goes down in succession.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.